Kumu. They perform for you today, Ikona Koda, and Ikona come back. And as you guys know, notice, there's one gentleman in this class. I think his name is Kekoma. Give it up for Kekoma. Oh yeah. Show some love in everybody, make some noise. Oh, so pretty. Everybody sing along, hiya. It is here in the corner, where the soft clouds blanket the calm seas. It's so beautiful, it's impossible to compare to any other. With love, you invite us. We come to you, for we are your special guests. For we are greeted with much love here in the land of Kona. Let the story be told. Here are my words for you. For you are so beautiful. There is no other that compares to you. Ladies and gentlemen, our Papa Ike Kumu did for you Ikona. This is our beginning of the